What we're gonna do is replace this unit on this trailer. First thing we're gonna do is raise the wheels so that it's not gonna roll around while we're trying to do this process. I'm gonna have to remove the pin here on the side and then raise the wheel, and I'll be doing the same for that side. I'm going to then take this pin out of this side, remove this clip, and then do the same for that side. So first thing, I'm gonna remove the pin here on the wheel spar and then get it to remove. And then obviously you need to raise the wheel, so what you do first is push down so that way you can push it out away from the center of the unit, and then do the same on this side. Pull the pin and press it down and pull it away. Watch your feet and fingertips and let it rest on the ground. Then take the second clip. The pins and clips have all been released and are set to the side. I can now remove the unit from the trailer by simply sliding it out of the track. Some sort of wiggle motion usually works best, or some sort of rocking motion, just to slowly get it to slide. So I'm just gonna slowly slide it into place to where I can get it to lift and set on the trailer. All you have to do is line it up, and once you have it lined up, try and push it forward a little, then come down, and then just rock it into place, and then just push it the rest of the way. Once we have it now on the trailer, I can reset all the pins and clips to make sure it is secured. So I'll start over here. Hook it into the latching point, set it down on the rim, and then take your pin, place it through the base, and then secure. We'll do the same for the other side, and then we'll lower the wheels so that it can roll around again. I'm gonna grab the wheel and press down on the bar. I am lifting the trailer off the ground, so I need to be aware of where my feet are positioned, as well as where I have here a pinch point, and then all this potential. So I see it's lowered past that. Now I need to slide it back towards the unit so it goes and secures in place. I will grab my clip, or my pin, excuse me, and then I will place it in there and then re-secure it. And then I will have to do the same for the other side.